So what about SearchStreams pop-up that you now see on your screen? Well, I'm facing the same pop-up, and frankly speaking, I did not intend to visit this website, SearchStreams.com. It's clear that this particular pop-up promotes Search by SearchStreams extension. It actually says that by clicking the button below, you will be prompted to install the SearchStreams Chrome extension, and your default search will be changed, and it says you'll have access to SearchStreams extensions functionality. Additionally, the pop-up also shows web push notifications, especially if you mistakenly click on this allow button, and I urge you not to do that. Now, if you click on the download now button, you will be brought to the landing page, to a special page that promotes installation of this extension. It is advertised as a new way to enjoy easy and private search experience. Now, there are some other promotional methods used by the authors of this extension to force you into installing it. It says that you may easily search for your favorite topics, images, videos, and news. Well, all this can be done directly through Google search, and there is no need for you to install this SearchStreams extension. The problem is that very often such pop-ups appear as a result of some adware currently installed on your device. And furthermore, installation of this extension often occurs as a result of downloading and installing some free programs. So you have to be extremely careful not to allow such installation, and if you added it to Chrome by mistake, there is a way to remove it from your Google Chrome browser. So I have shown it to you on purpose. I have installed this extension on purpose simply to show you how to uninstall it. So go to the browser menu, click on More Tools and select Extensions. Now you may find this SearchStreams extension enabled. You click here to deactivate it and now click Remove. All done. No need to participate in this survey while you removed the extension. I also recommend that you additionally scan your Mac computer with the powerful security software, such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Once you download and install the application and start it, this is the way it looks like. It has the trial version initially. Even the trial one has got several free functions, but the antivirus is the component of the premium license only. Nevertheless, trial version of Combo Cleaner works as a free scanner, so click on Start Combo Scan button to perform the free analysis of your Mac. This is the end of scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Either you have the trial or the premium version. The program works as a free scanner. It reports threats at the end of scan and helps you understand where the threats are located. If you have a trial version, to find out the location of threats, check the antivirus part and click on Review Results. So this is where each threat in your Mac is located. You may go to the location of each thread separately through your Finder and remove one thread at a time manually. Or you may remove all threads automatically by clicking on Remove All Threads button, but the removal can be achieved only with the help of the premium version of the program.